Hi guys, Bobby D here from Bobby D Online Marketing. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube videos without showing your face. Now this is one of the biggest topics that come up all the time and one of the biggest emails I get from people every day. How do I make YouTube videos? How do we make money without showing our faces? Now to be honest, it used to be difficult, but not anymore. I'm going to show you an amazing piece of software, guys, that is only on a special offer for the next couple of days, and it will change your YouTube life. You do not have to go on video anymore, and this bit of software will make you quality YouTube videos that convert, that will make you money in about 60 seconds, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So stay with me, guys. I'm super excited about this. So stick with me and I will show you in this video the website or the bit of software that you need to go to, how to sign up, how you get paid, and how you can do this over and over again. You could pump out 10 videos a day, guys, if you wanted to, and I'll show you what to do and I'll show you how to get this going. Now watch the video to the end. I'll show you all my tips and tricks, right? This is probably one of the most important videos I'm doing. So really stick with it, guys. Watch it to the end, watch it fully, and honestly, this could massively help you. Not only is this good for you making affiliate commissions like ClickBank and Warrior Plus, you could also sell this as a product on Fiverr. I'll show you everything. So you can earn really quickly with this method. You could earn today. It works worldwide in any country. You can make as much money as you want. And I will show you all the software and exactly what you need to do to seriously make some money. Now before we do that, guys, do me a massive favor, please. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for me. One, it helps me out to grow my channel. I've just hit 1,000 subscribers, which I'm really happy about. But it also lets me send you a notification every time I upload a video, which is virtually every day. That means you're the first to see it, you're the first to try it out, and you're the first to make some money. Now the other thing I'm doing for you guys is I'm giving you some free training. So under this video here, there is a link. It will say, get my free training. Hit that link, and that will take you to 7 videos that you can watch all about how I make money online. The one above it is going to be the link to this software. Like I said, it's on a special offer, guys. I absolutely love it. Grab it. This really is going to change your affiliate marketing life. So that's it from me. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. Let's get on with the show. Right, guys, so let's just move that up there. So the site we're going to look at is a website called Content Samurai. Now this is honestly, I wish I knew about this a year ago. This is basically a website. It's a cloud-based bit of software, so you don't have to worry about anything going on your computer. And basically all you do is input text into it, which you can cut and paste from a vlog, the internet, a review, and I'll show you how to do it in a minute. And it turns it into a video with slides and pictures and music and speech. It actually puts the speech in for you, so you don't even have to talk on video. But if you want to, you can obviously override the speech bit. So it's easy if I just show you, because honestly it's absolutely unbelievable. So when you log into it, the link is below here, guys, to grab this, and they're obviously doing 25% off at the moment. So I'm interested in sales videos, so let's just click sales videos, and you get all these backgrounds as different sales videos. So we would be looking at something for online, so that's quite a nice one, digital marketing. So let's just click that, and I haven't looked at this one before. So this is an example of what it does.
Are you spending money on Facebook ads, but seeing zero return on your investment? If so, then you need to stop what you're doing right now and watch this video. You see, using Facebook...
Now, everything you see on there is self-generated. The words, the background, everything. So you're doing very little to do this, right? And I'm going to show you now how to do it. So we like that template as an example. All you're going to do is go use this template. Now you can change everything you want. So let's just take that out. That was one I was playing with earlier. So what you do, say, I don't know, we're going to use Fiverr, which is one of my products as an example. So this is a review of Fiverr on the internet, okay? Flipperdom, sorry, this is my other product, Flipperdom. So let's do this. All we're going to do is cut and paste this text, right? So hit Control C, go back there, paste your script in there, Control V. Have a quick check, make you happy with it. In 2005, so what I would start off there is I would write, what is Flipperdom? In 2005, Las Vegas, I got myself a 90 million. More recently, yeah. So let's dive in. Right. So not a lot of text in that for now. We can put more in. We can put as much as we want in. So let's just scroll down here. So this is one of my products that I brought out a year ago. Let's just grab some writing. Let's just grab this. Oh, and that will be it. Paste that into here, like that, and that is it. That's all we're doing. Now you can select all these. I'm going to select everything. So it says, do bold words for me. I'll show you that in a minute. Select video clips, select images, select layouts, add motion, add transitions, animate text, and link scenes. So it's doing everything for you. So what we are going to do now is hit preview. And everything is changeable on that. If you don't like something, well, we probably won't like something on this, we'll change it and I'll show you how to do it. I've never seen that before. There we go. Right. So it literally takes 60 seconds or less to load one of the videos up. Nearly done. And this will, honestly, you never need to show yourself. You don't even need to speak on video. That's what I like about it. And the videos are so good. They're so professional. Not only can you use them for this, you could sell these on Fiverr. You could make people videos. Say, I'll make a video from your blog or your vlog and sell it. So let's just pull myself down there. I've not obviously clicked something. What have I done wrong? Go back to scenes. Okay. Hit preview. It just didn't load up all the slides, which it's done now. I mean, this is a real complicated bit of software, but you don't have to do anything. It does it all for you. So we're nearly there. So I'm just going to play it. I won't play it all, just gives you an idea of what it does. It highlights certain words for you. It puts images in.
What is Flipperdom? In 2005, LasVegas.com W as sold for $90 million ILLEON. More RSANTLU in 2015. Chinese Bridge AN Chihu BOUG T the OMIN360.com FOR $17 million ILLEON. GoDaddy reports that the most expensive domain ever sold was cars.com for $872 million. Buying a domain with the purpose of reselling it at a higher price is a practice known as domain flipping. So, let's dive into how to flip domains. Excited yet? Well, you should be. But you might be thinking, what are the odds of me making these huge sales? You're right, they're slim. However, there are numerous cases.
So that's just an example. Now this is it shows it a bit jerky on here because it's not rendered. It won't be like that when you upload it. And also it didn't pronounce a million very well, but you can change that. It didn't like the figures, so you just write a million there, MILLION. So you can change everything on this. You can change the scenes. So this one here, Flipperdom, if we didn't like that scene, you can search for a scene. So we could put, I don't know, a computer. Let's just type computer in there. And it'll give you a computer image. And all you do, you just click that and you've now got a complete computer image in there. You then go down to the next scene. Look at that. It's on here, sorry. Go down to the next scene. You can change that. You can change that. You can change the voice. Obviously that voice was Heidi. We can change it to maybe a man. Let's have a look, listen to Harry.
Hi, my name is Harry and I would love to read the script for your...
And the voices are really good, honestly. That really, really good voices. Let's try Luke.
Hi, my name is Luke and I would love to read the script for your video.
Hi, my name is Harvey and I would love to read the script for your...
Hi, my name is Oscar and I would love to read the script.
Hi, my name is Anna and I...
So Heidi's probably the best one for me, which is the one it comes with. You can go back to script, you can change the script, you can add scenes, remove scenes, change the layout, change the style, obviously change the text, you can highlight whatever words you want. I think it's absolutely brilliant. And if you're somebody who doesn't like showing their face on video or being on video, there is no better software, I guarantee you, on the market than this. It is brilliant. And they are doing 25% off at the moment, okay? It's a monthly payment or you can pay yearly. With the discount, it's about, I don't know, $30 a month, $35 a month. Guys, you can make this back. You know, you could go on to Fiverr.com, have a look at Fiverr. You know, there'll be people advertising video services on there, and you could say, I will convert your vlog into a video. I'll convert your website into a video. You could do anything. You know, that is Flipperdom. We could do anything. And what's clever about this is the software. Let's do diet review. The software does the background for you, which is what I love. So let's just click this. Again, this is just random here. Weight loss resources. Let's just cut and paste that, hit Control C, we go back to Content Samurai, we go to Script. We're now going to change the script. Script. That's why I'm covering up the button. Edit the script, get rid of all that. So we're now going to change it to this. So we're now going to hit Create Scene. So it starts looking at all the buzzwords in there. The video now has changed it, so I haven't seen this yet myself. We're going to have a live little preview. Just turn that down. Right, let's have a look. So hit preview, and it will make it up. And like I said, it looks at the keywords. It'll be looking at diet, so I'd expect some diet slides, background, some words. But you can see where this can go. You know, point this to a ClickBank product. Honestly, I'm actually thinking about making another channel now, another channel just using this method. It's so good. Right, here we go. It's building up. And like I was saying earlier, go on Fiverr. You know, offer to turn people's vlogs into videos, because problem with the audio. Video sells much better than people sitting there reading it, and that's where the money is. You upload their video, their review onto YouTube. Honestly, it's a no-brainer for making money. Just bear with us while this loads. Okay, so let's hit play.
Quite every diet under the sun here, but the majority of dieting methods most people will come across during their quest to lose weight. The reviews range from in-depth reports written by dietitians to more anecdotal opinions from WLR members. We cover online and offline slimming clubs, diet delivery services, healthy dieting concepts such as low GI or high fiber, and specific diets such as Atkins and Dukan. You'll also find reviews of other aids to weight loss, from hypnosis to pills. One alternate day fasting diet. Alternate day fasting, the latest diet by James Johnson, as quite a hit in the weight loss world. But can intermittent fasting really help you to shift those pounds and keep them off? Dietitian.
So there's an example. I mean, the slides it's pulled in for that are amazing. They're all to do with diet. There's people eating healthy food. There's a doctor. Great. I mean, they just look so professional. Remember, you can change all of this, guys. So for me, this is one of the best methods out there. I absolutely love it. If you're looking at making loads of YouTube videos without your face on, this is my #1 way, 100%. I'm going to be using this myself. Yeah, there's a monthly cost. You know what? It's worth it because you can make that money. Now, if you want a review, a discounted copy, guys, hit it below. My link, it's down there. Hit the link below. get it on a discount, you might as well get it 25% off. Otherwise you are going to pay full price for it, and it ends in a couple of days. So that's it from me, guys. Remember my saying, take action. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll keep putting videos out like this. Honestly, this is one of the best methods I've ever seen. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. I appreciate you listening to me, and hit that subscribe.